welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we're going to do a small bathroom deep clean. This is the only bathroom in my house, so it gets a lot of use and it gets messy really quick. So we're going to get this all cleaned up from top to bottom. That way I don't have to worry about it all weekend because it is Friday, guys. Yes, we made it through the week. It is Friday and we're going to have a clean bathroom for the weekend.
What did you expect now? That you feel better? The town those simple lights wouldn't cut you down.
Alright, so I'm going to start off by just grabbing everything off of the towel racks and hooks to throw into the laundry. I'm going to grab this bath mat and all of the washcloths that collect in the bottom of the tub. Then I'm going to see what bottles are still in the tub that are empty. Don't know about you guys, but I get a little frustrated when I pick up a bottle of shampoo and there's no shampoo in it. I'm screaming out the bathroom door, I need shampoo!
Yeah. Liar, baby, you're such a liar. Singing out loud to the choir. Liar, 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 liar. Baby, I'm tired, trying to put out my fire. You didn't know I'm a liar, and you're a liar, 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 babe. Buy me a river, talking in silver. You know it's been a while since you came around. Look in the mirror, are you getting bitter? Don't you come around no more, baby, no more. Getting enough of this, my love don't come for free. I got enough of you. Thinking that I'ma quit, you gotta keep it real. I got enough of you. Yeah. Liar, baby, you're such a liar. Singing out loud to the choir. Liar, 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 liar. Baby, I'm tired, trying to put out my
I think my kids still do their ABCs while brushing their teeth because there is always splatters of toothpaste around the sink for some reason. And I'm sure I'm just as guilty, or my husband, but all the time.
Only photographs is what we have of what is left of us. Left of us. You don't think things through. No, I know you. Only photographs is what we have. Liar, baby, you're such a liar. Singing out loud to the choir. Liar, 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 liar. Baby, I'm tired, trying to put out my fire. You didn't know I'm a liar, and you're a liar, 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 babe. You're so kind, but I'm reminded I love your lies, what they're providing. Mother told me things I shouldn't do.
So here you see a bin of my hair tools that I need to go through. I really don't do much with my hair, so for this to be in the bathroom all the time kind of doesn't make sense. I am going to find a spot for it in the closet when I do a declutter of my linen closet. And I should have taken care of this when I did the declutter of the bathroom, but didn't, which I will link up above when I did a declutter of like my makeup and stuff. But stay tuned because that video will be coming of a declutter of my linen closet that's going to include all of that stuff. Because like I said, I don't do my hair often enough for it to be constantly in the bathroom, and it just starts to look really cluttered. and gets really dusty. Alright guys, so here I'm going to grab some of my new favorite product, the Barkeeper's Friend. I use this on the tub probably about once a month because I have this stain right in the middle of the tub from when I got the great idea one day to scrub the tub to the point where I scrubbed off all of the little grip pads that were in the tub. I've had the tub for a little while now. My OCD kicked in one day and I just scrubbed to the point where they are completely gone. And now I have to always use a bath mat in there because if I don't have a mat in and I use a deep conditioner on my hair one day, trust me, you are going on your tuchus because it gets so slippery because there is absolutely no gripping in the tub unless the bath mat is in there. And that's where my OCD kicks in with scrubbing this thing.
I see you standing there, a soothing atmosphere. Smell of your aftershave, sweet blossom in the rain. You flip around your hair as if you're unaware, but you should know that I'm looking at you. You make me feel like I'm made of colors, just you and me, ignore the others. Do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause I do.
So here's a close-up of how rusty the shower curtain rod gets, and the hooks also. You'll see later where I clean the hooks of the shower curtain rod. They just get so rusty, and then it's hard to kind of get the shower curtain to go back and forth smoothly. I think I do have to find something to put on this, some kind of a protectant to make it so, one, that it doesn't rust so much and easier for it to glide back and forth.
Inside your burning stare, just wanna be
Alright guys, so that was the bathroom cleanup, and this is the after clean. It's like the clean and the after clean. It's like the after show. But guess who gets to clean up this mess? This girl.